Hey, my beautiful people. Welcome to the future of AI. In this video, I am going to tell you that how you can turn your text into free AI music using two different AI tools. So if you want to create an AI music, watch this full video. Before that, I would request you to subscribe my channel, The Future of AI, for more amazing AI tutorials. So, let's get started.
So first of all, go to Google and search for Beatboard AI. The first website will appear there, just click on that. It's a beta version, so it's free to use right now. You will have to describe the song you want to create. I will write a sad song for my best friend who is no longer with me, a heart-touching song. So just click on generate after writing. So here is our song ready.
Memories of us together are now a distant. Dream life without her just doesn't seem real. The light of the tears, the moments that we share. All I have left of her is the love we once declared.
So here you can see the song is ready. You can just click on the more button and download the song. I will download the audio file for me. Also, if you are not satisfied with the song, you can click on the retry button to generate the song again. So let's just click on retry and generate our song once again.
I'm missing you more every day. You were my best friend, so much lighter, so many memories we shared together. I wish you were here to hug me tight. I can never replace the love you have for me, right?
So now click on the more button and download your audio or video file, whatever you like. So now let's move to the second website. Go to Google and search for Voice Mod AI. Just click on the first website there. Now click on start free trial. Now sign up with your Google account. After signing up, it will take you to the dashboard. Now here you will see some pre-made songs that are already created. Now I've selected one. Now here you can select your singer. Now after selecting your single, you have to write down some lyrics. I have generated some lyrics using ChatGPT, so I will write my lyrics over here so it can create me a song. You can see I have generated the lyrics using ChatGPT. After writing your lyrics, just click on create song. Now it's generating a song for you. Now here is your song ready. I will not play the song with music because of copyright issue. I will play the song with the voice only.
Thinking about the times we shared, the laughter and the tears we bared. I miss your smile, your voice, your face. Wish you were here in this place. Oh, my friend, where did you go? Why did you have to leave me so high? Miss you more than words can say, but I know we'll meet again some.
Now once your song is ready, just simply click on download and download your song or video, whatever you want.
So that's all. Please do like and subscribe to support me so I can make more future AI videos for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.